Speedy Fit Height course can increase your height. And help you to grow taller naturally. You can increase height quickly and fairly. This course is for both men and women. Now increase height 4 to 6 inches. "100% natural safe nutritional supplement." You can use it from 12 to 30 years of age. Speedy Fit Height course helps people gain extra inches. It is 100% herbal preparation and 100% natural ingredients. This height increase supplement is very much effective. The duration of this course is 4 to 6 months. Speedy Fit Height course is the first supplement. Which is most effective growing taller supplement? Speedy Fit Height course improve your life. Feel healthy and energetic. Speedy Fit Height course will only boost natural growth. Be taller and better looking. It makes a just radical difference. Effective in your overall height, posture and outlook. If you want to increase your height, you should come to Tayseer Dawakana.
Welcome to Tayseer Dawakana. Dear patient, this is for your kind information. If you want to contact or call to Tayseer Dawakana, our call time is 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., Friday off. Hakeem and Dr. Tariqa Mahmood Tayseer, consultant sexologist, alternative medicine specialist, expert, male and female. Infertility, chairman, Tayseer Patient Welfare Society. 0334-9552889. 0300-9552889, 0321-9552889. You can contact to Tayseer Medical Board, Hakims and Lady Doctors, for consultation about the old complicated and hidden sexual problems, male and female infertility, and all general diseases. Our contact numbers are given below. 0333-5501390, 0323-5501390 for free consultation. Erection stiffness duration, erectile dysfunction, loose erection, please contact on these numbers. 0332-5607654, 0331-5607654, for free consultation. Regarding penis enlargement treatment, bent penis, curvature penis, small penis, please contact on these numbers. 0337-7007101, 0332-7007101, female consultation. Women health issues, Lecorhia periods problem, small breast, male and female infertility, and all general height, weight, lose weight, gain. Please contact on these numbers. 0336-5777696, for female consultation. Women health issues, height, Lecorhia periods problem, small breast size, pregnancy, male and female infertility, all general diseases. Please contact on these numbers. 0336-5777697, 0332-1500540. In case of any emergency, you can contact directly to Dr. Tariq Mahmood Tayseer. 0332-1500548, 0332-1500549. Address: Tayseer Dawakana and Tayseer Herbal Pharma, I-111, Iqbal Road, attached Punjab Bank, near Comedy Chowk, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. Websites: www.tayseerdawakana.com, www.tayseerlabs.com, www.drtariqtayseer.com, www.tayseerlab.com, www.tayseerherbalpharma.com.